Look at this adorable baby. Adorable. Always dogs everywhere I go. Whoa, hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. I'm coming to you live from downtown Sebring. As you can see behind me, we love Sebring. Small, beautiful town. But anyways, we're here for Pride Fest 2026, and in just a few moments, as you can see behind me, Pride Fest is going to walk all the way around Sebring Circle. It's been going on for about, I think, 6 years now. I'm excited to share it with you guys, and if you guys are ready, let's go have some fun.
Be proud of the color of your skin. Be proud of the language you speak. Be proud of where you came from. Be proud of what you look like. Be proud of who you love.
So real quick, just in case you guys have never been to Pride down here in Sebring, it's hosted by Monserk Wine Bar. Awesome place, awesome people run it. Definitely support them. So they do their own event for Pride. Then somewhere around 5 or 6. Today at 6. But yeah, they line up in front of the establishment, and then they walk downtown and continue the walk all the way around the circle. And then we take a big group photo. So it's kind of like, I don't know, that's what we do. That's our thing here in Sebring. So yeah, hopefully if you weren't able to come out today, you will come out next year, because it's an awesome event and you'll be surrounded by lots of kind-hearted people. But anyways, let me start recording the walk.
3 rotations around Circle Park, Mother Nature willing. Our first rotation is for remembrance. We're walking in honor of those who came before us, the pioneers, the fighters, the forgotten. This lap's for the trailblazers who stood up when it was dangerous to do so, for the lives lost to hate, to silence, to indifference. We remember Stonewall, we remember Pulse. We remember every child who never got to grow old. As we take the first steps, we say their names with our feet. We carry their memory in our march. Our second rotation will represent resistance. This lap is defiance in motion. We walk for every right we had to fight for, and every right that is still under attack. Our third rotation is renewal. This final lap is a celebration. We walk into hope, into belonging, into the future we are building together. On this, the 7th annual Pride Walk, we are about to gather in Circle Park, not in secret, not in shame, but in strength, in solidarity, and in pride. 7 years ago, we started something bold, something that defied the odds and pushed back against the silence. Highlands County, our home, became a place where love stood up, where community showed out, and where queer joy could bloom in the open air. And today, look at us. We're still here, we're louder, we're prouder, and we are more united than ever before. Let's be real, the world outside these circles has not gotten easier. In the halls of power, in school board meetings, and state legislatures, including our own, we're watching targeted attacks on LGBTQ rights, drag performers, trans youth, inclusive education, and our very identities. These are not just policy disagreements, these are attempts to erase us. Let me be absolutely clear. We will not be erased.
Nope.
We will not be legislated into silence. We will not be intimidated back into the closet. We will not be told that our lives, our love, or our families are any less worthy of dignity and protection. Because we've always been here, and we're not going anywhere. We carry the legacy of Stonewall in our bones. We carry the lessons of those who marched before us, who loved in secret, who dared to speak their truth in the face of violence, discrimination, and hate. And we honor them not just by remembering, but by walking, by living, by resisting, and by celebrating who we are with our heads held high. We are a people of joy and justice, of resistance and resilience. And no matter how loud the hate may grow, our love will always be louder. Happy Pride.
So the Pride Walk is just now kicking off, and as you can see, there's a lot of people that came out. Pride, y'all. Happy Pride. I do need the extras. I'll join you, I promise. I need content. You guys gotta get louder though. Happy Pride! Woo! Happy Pride! Okay, I told the Happy Fam I was gonna join them, so I have to join them. I normally don't walk, I just film. And the reason I do this is, you know, it's a small community and I want to put this out there for everybody because we are not ever going to be erased. And it will be on YouTube and all social media platforms forever. You know, because love is love, and I don't know. Diversity makes the world a better place. Could you imagine if everybody that lived on this planet looked the same, act the same? It would be a boring world. Very boring.
On the side.
3 hours later.
Three, two, one, everybody sing it! Yay!
Take another one. $20 is $20.
We got raffle tickets.
See, it didn't take that long. And we just took the most beautiful photo. Just saying. Everyone's having a great time. Everyone's dancing.
I'm proud of you for being so loudly and proudly who you fucking are. You're here and you're at Pride, and that means you are telling the world how proud of you are, and I want you to know that I back you up and I'm proud of you too.
And there you have it, guys. We just finished up at downtown Sebring Pride 2026. Thank you so much for watching. Visor forever, and see you later.